Sometimes a coin catches your eye in a strange way. It may shine brighter than the others, almost glowing when the light hits it. When that happens, it can make you stop and look twice. The 2000p Sacagawea dollar is one of those coins. At first, it seems like a normal golden dollar. But hidden in its color and surface are details that have amazed collectors for years. Many people believe modern coins cannot be valuable. If a coin was made after the year 2000, they assume it must be common. The Sacagawea dollar helped change that idea. When the US Mint released it in 2000, it started a brand new chapter for small dollar coins. Right away, it looked different from anything before it. The Mint used a special metal mix that included manganese brass. This gave the coin its gold-like color and helped people tell it apart from quarters. The design on the front shows Sacagawea carrying her baby son, Baptiste. It was created by artist Glenna Goodacre and represents strength, courage, and the long journey across America. On the back, the flying eagle design by Thomas D. Rogers Sr. adds energy and movement, making the coin feel alive. Most of these coins were made at the Philadelphia Mint, and hundreds of millions were produced. Even so, not every coin came out the same. During the early months of production, the Mint ran into problems. Some coins were struck too lightly, causing weak details. Others were made on slightly different metal blanks. Some developed dark spots, uneven color, or unusual shine. Because of this, the 2000p Sacagawea dollar can appear in many shades. Some are deep gold. Others are bright yellow. A few glow with a strong shine that looks different from normal coins. Collectors study these differences closely because small changes can mean big value jumps. Certain coins show clear errors. Some are struck off-center. Others have wide rims, rough edges, or cracks from worn dies. A few show strange shine patterns caused by polishing experiments on the dies. Some coins even feel slightly different in weight or texture because they came from different metal batches. Interest in the Sacagawea dollar exploded after one shocking discovery. A rare mule error was found, where the front of a state quarter was paired with the back of a Sacagawea dollar. Even though this coin does not show Sacagawea on the front, it stunned the coin world. It proved that major mistakes could happen even in modern times. That discovery brought attention to all 2000p Sacagawea dollars. Collectors began searching for high-quality examples, but condition quickly became the biggest challenge. Most of these coins were used heavily. Over time, their gold color faded, scratches appeared, and fine details wore down. Finding one today with strong shine and sharp features is very hard. Coins graded MS67 or higher are especially rare. Even coins saved in mint sets can develop cloudy surfaces or marks. Because of this, collectors compete strongly when a clean example appears for sale. Prices have steadily climbed over the years. Strong uncirculated 2000p Sacagawea dollars can sell for a few $100s, and sometimes close to $1,000, depending on shine and strike quality. Near-perfect coins with rich color and smooth surfaces can reach four-figure prices when graded MS67 or MS68 by PCGS or NGC. Error coins such as wide strikes or off-center examples can sell for even more. Then there are the sales that truly shocked collectors. The highest confirmed auction price for a 2000p Sacagawea dollar came from a mule error certified by PCGS. It sold for an incredible $193,000 at a major auction. Another mule example, certified by NGC, later sold for about $120,000. No regular circulation coin from this series has ever come close to those prices. Collectors often talk about the ultimate dream find. If a flawless 2000p Sacagawea dollar were discovered with perfect surfaces, full glowing color, and a major mint error or unknown variety, experts believe it could sell for $27,000 to $38,000 at auction. The 2000p Sacagawea dollar is more than simple pocket change. It brings together beauty, history, minting mistakes, and strong collector demand. Sometimes all it takes is one bright shine to turn an ordinary-looking coin into something truly unforgettable. Next up, we're looking at a coin that most people never think twice about. The 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin with a D mint mark has passed through millions of hands, often ignored or forgotten. Yet for collectors, some versions of this coin are far more interesting than they seem. When the Sacagawea dollar first appeared in the year 2000, it was meant to give new life to the dollar coin. Its bright golden color made it stand out right away. By 2001, the Denver Mint was producing large numbers of these coins, and while millions were made, not all of them turned out the same. At first glance, the coin looks simple. It has a smooth, golden surface and a solid feel. Many examples show small scratches from years of use. Others appear dull from being stored in jars or rolls. That everyday wear tells an important story. These coins were used in real life, not saved carefully from the beginning. The front of the coin shows Sacagawea, a Native American woman who helped guide the Lewis and Clark expedition. She is shown carrying her young son Baptiste. The design represents strength, guidance, and survival, and it was created by artist Glenna Goodacker. On the back, a flying eagle spreads its wings, symbolizing freedom and movement. Together, the front and back designs make the Sacagawea dollar one of the most meaningful modern U.S. coins. The 2001 Sacagawea dollar is made from a special metal mix that includes manganese brass. This gives the coin its gold-like color, even though it contains no real gold. Over time, this metal reacted differently based on storage, which is why some coins appear bright yellow, others deep gold, and some even show unusual tones. Collectors pay attention to these color differences. While most color changes do not add value, eye-catching and even surfaces can make a coin more desirable, especially in high condition. What truly excites collectors are condition and mint errors. During fast production at the Denver Mint, small mistakes happened. Some coins were struck off-center, pushing the design to one side. Others show cracks from worn dies, weak details, or rough edges. A few display doubled letters or numbers. These errors were never meant to leave the mint, making them much harder to find. Condition plays a major role as well. Most 2001 Sacagawea dollars were heavily used in vending machines, banks, and transit systems. Because of this, finding a coin with full shine, sharp details, and clean surfaces is difficult today. Coins graded MS67 or higher are especially rare. Even coins saved in rolls or mint sets often develop marks over time. When a truly clean example appears, collectors take notice. In normal condition, a 2001 Sacagawea dollar is usually worth only a small amount over face value. But high-grade coins can sell for hundreds of dollars and sometimes more. Error coins can bring much stronger prices. A bold off-center strike or dramatic die crack can sell for thousands when certified. Many collectors believe valuable examples are still out there, hidden in old collections, forgotten rolls, or storage boxes that haven't been opened in years. Some of the best discoveries happen by chance. The 2001 Sacagawea dollar proves that modern coins can still hold mystery and value. Even coins from recent decades can carry history, mistakes, and strong collector demand. So if you ever come across a 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin with a D-mint mark, take a moment to look closely. Check the shine, the details, and the strike. That simple golden coin might be holding a story worth far more than $1.